But what we're going to do first is take a look at an existing investment that I've made into one of these funds. And we're going to do that by clicking on my individual account here at the bottom. And this is just a demo account I've put together here. And if I click here on positions, we can see that I have some money in FXAIX, some money in NVIDIA, and then below that is some type of money market fund for my leftover buying power. And this was purchased a little over or roughly around 2 years ago. So NVIDIA has gone up almost 76% since then, which is pretty wild, but it shows you how much technology stocks have increased. And FXAIX, tracking the S&P 500, is up about 33.58%. So I'm up about $20.63 on that investment, and I put roughly $60 in at the time. So we can see it's been a very strong return here from that, and this is where you'll be able to track your investments and see if you're making or losing money. And hopefully you make money, but again, you have to keep in mind that the market can go up and it goes down too. But now we're going to go ahead and invest in the other index fund, the total market tracking index fund. And what we're going to do is click on the dollar sign here at the bottom, and then we're going to go ahead and search for it. So I'm going to click on trade, and then we're going to type in the name, and we're looking for the Fidelity Total Market Index Fund. I'm just going to type it in, and that's going to be right here, FSKAX, the Fidelity Total Market Index Fund. Now, one thing I want to mention real quick, we didn't have time to cover it in this video, but Fidelity does offer 0 index funds, which are going to be 0 expense ratio. You may want to look into those on your own and see if they are comparable or a good fit for your portfolio, but I just went by popularity, and the other versions are much more popular, at least as of this recording. At some point in the future, I may do a video just on the Fidelity 0 funds, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. But we're going to look here at FSKAX, the Fidelity Total Market Index Fund. We're looking to buy, and then you just type in the amount that you're looking to buy. So in this case, we're just going to do $20, and I believe it's a $1 minimum, so you could put as little as $1 into this if you want to. And we're going to then click here on the preview button at the bottom, and it says we're looking to buy $20 worth, and it mentions it's going into my individual account. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the place order button now at the bottom, and it now says we've got your order, and then the trade executes after the next market close. So that's one thing to keep in mind here with index funds, is that they're not going to place trades immediately. They place trades all together at the end of the trading day. So even though we're seeing the price fluctuate throughout the trading day, you're not going to know the exact price you're getting it for until the end of the trading day, when all of the trades are placed together. So at the end of the day, I'll be able to log into my account and see where things were actually placed. So if I click here on done and navigate back to my portfolio screen and refresh, that's why I'm not seeing it listed here immediately. But if I go over here to activity and then go here to orders, it should show, yes, that there's an open order here to buy $20 worth of it at the end of the day. So that is going to fill later today, and I will have my shares of this index fund in my portfolio.